Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix back tap not working. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If back tap is not working for your iPhone, then what you need to do guys is just simply you have to remove the case. Okay guys, and make sure that you are using a case which is supported for back tap. Okay guys, so if it's not, just simply you have to exchange or remove the case, and you have to try to check again if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, just simply make sure that your back is not oily. So if this isn't the case and still not working for you guys, then you have to open setting and then you have to do a setting from here. Just simply go to accessibility, and from here guys you have to tap on touch. Now just simply scroll it down all the way, and at the last you can see here back tap option, and make sure that if it's selected on one of them. If it's selected at none, then it's not working for you. Okay guys, if it's selecting at none, just simply you have to select one of them from here like this, like screenshot. Okay guys, when you double tap on backside, screenshot will be taken from here. Okay guys, so this is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.